everyone, and happy Friday. It is Friday here in Hawaii, and we are up. We gotta go exchange our towels, and then we gotta head off to Sandy Beach just to get some shots in. And we're going to Haloma blowhole. It's some sort of geyser attraction. And then we're going off to Hanoma Bay for the reef swimming, which I am more than excited and looking forward to. I can't wait. And then off to dinner, and then a fireworks show, and then perhaps even meeting up with family while we're here. And we'll see you guys later. On our way to Sandy Beach Park right now. We'll be there in about 9 minutes. And we're just gonna go see what's on the up and up over there, because, you know, it was recommended to us, and if it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Just look at that stunning view of this mountain. Oh, we got a motorcycle in front of us. Oop, minus unique point. Wanna stop? No. Okay, just checking. Wow. It's just so pretty. Focus. There we go. 1.2 miles, 2 minutes left. Just beautiful. Once these trees get out of my way, it's so gorgeous out there. Ugh. Guys, look at this. This is so pretty. I mean, there is a warning online saying that this is one of the most dangerous places, well, dangerous beaches to be because of the surf. Not because of any critters or anything, but just for the sheer, like, look at those waves. There's no way. Unless you're a surfer, not meant for you. It's so pretty. I can't even. Just that view behind me. Oh my god. It's so cool. Sean's taking pictures of me. Just, why aren't you just everywhere in the world? This is what I live for.